Okay, we're coming up to a final wince now. Not final wince, final spin. It's done a Suds lock, so it's made a Sudsy final wince. God knows what's going to happen on the 600 RPM spin. But we'll soon find out. So let it do this. Because that's too many Suds for a final wince. Too many. I'm going to put it on an additional wince, I think. There we go. Two Sudsy for a final spin, that. Is it going to do a big Suds lock on a final spin for the very first time on a Beko? It's going to be a bit of entertainment if it does. And it's quite balanced. Is it going to do a big Suds lock? Is it going to Suds lock for a final spin with 1 minute left? It's a bit unbalanced here. I am going to put it on a fan, another wince and spin. I will film the full one of that, I think. Yeah, it's ended now, so obviously there's quite a few Suds left. I will do an additional wince now, and I will film the additional wince on a full cycle, so yeah, I'll go and get my other phone and that now. So yeah, it's been a bit of a entertainment watch, I should say. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.